How to fix can't open photos in Windows 11. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the error. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, come below at the search bar of your PC, then type in settings. In here, you will see an apps button. Click onto it, and here you will see installed apps. Open your installed apps. Just as it is, so you will see all the applications that you have. Under search apps, type in photos. You will see photos here. Click on the three dot icon and choose advanced options. Once done, scroll below. Then here you will see repair. Under reset, there's an option called repair. Click on to repair. Once this is done, you can click on reset. Confirm your reset. Before doing so, read this and hit reset. Once it's done, see if this fixes your problem. Also be noted to click on recommended instead of always or never. Come for apps again, click onto apps again, then you will see default apps. Open this. Under set defaults for application, type in photos. You will see photos here expanded. In here, you will see photos. Let's go ahead and make sure all of these are default. Click on this arrow button, then click on set default. And repeat the same process for all these here. Once you do all this, restart your device and this shall definitely fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.